Lift your head, baby. You'll get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry. Nobody understands that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore, it sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway.
Thank you kasi inalalayan mo ako nung mga panahon na hindi ko kinakaya. Nandyan ka at di mo ko iniwan nung nawala si mama. Pati si nanay. Thank you sa walang sawang pag-intindi at pag-alaga. Thank you kasi tanggap mo na package kami ni Lolo. Parang buy one take one, ganon. Nakakatuwa lang talaga isipin na dati nasa dating app lang tayo nagkakilala. Tapos ngayon, ikakasal na. Hi, love. Alam mo naman na hindi words of affirmation ang love language ko, kaya medyo nahihirapan ako sa pagsulat ng vows ko. Halos lahat naman din kasi ay nasabi ko na talaga sa'yo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobra akong nagpapasalamat kay Lord dahil sinagot niya ang mga prayers ko. Pinag-pray ko na sana bigyan niya ako ng makakasama. Namamahalin ako tulad ng pagmamahal sa akin ni Mama.
Nobody knows just why we're here.
Hindi ako binigo ni Lord at sinagot niya yung prayers ko.
Could it be fate or random circumstance?
Binigyan niya ako ng isang tulad mo.
At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwined. And if the universe conspired to meld our lives to make us fuel and fire, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. From the sheer weight of your doubts and fears, weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high.
Basta pagbukas ng bagong pahina, sabay nating aabutin ng ating mga pangarap. Pangarap na magkaroon ng masaganang buhay at masayang pamilya. From this day, in front of our Creator, I promise to you and to Mama Book, I promise that I will love you unconditionally, trust you, respect you, and share my life. I promise you to love you when we are together and when we are apart. And I promise to love you forever and ever. I love you, Mom.
Disappears in you'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream, and I'll scream with you. You'll be safe save your eyes.
Magandang magtaka bakit si Jomel at Kimberly ang nasa harapan ninyo ngayon at nasa harapan ng Diyos na ito. Dahil ang Diyos ang may akda ng inyong pagmamahalan. Kaya ang Diyos lamang ang kayang makasapat upang may pagpatuloy ninyo ang inyong mga pinangako. Unang halik ni Jomel at Kimberly bilang mag-asawa. Pwede mo na balikan si
You'll be safe when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be safe.
Pinapangako ko na magiging mabuti akong asawa, aalagaan at mamahalin ka ng totoo at buong puso. Sobrang salamat sa lahat.
I love you. Sa akin magiging may bahay, Mami. Nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil inilaan ka niya para sa akin. Ako na yata ang pinakamasaya na lalaki sa mundo nang makilala kita. Nagpapasalamat ako sapagkat meron akong ikaw. Nag-iisang ikaw na mahalaga at mapagmahal.
Put your